Hello students, today we will learn how to filter and sort your data. What you have to do is you just select your data contents, go to data tab and press the sort here. It will ask you sort by company, you want to sort by January month or February, for March or for total. Let us sort it by the company. It is the sorting on values. Now from the order A to Z or Z to A, whatever it is, A to Z, you press OK. Now it is A, 7B centers, A, B, C, J and K. It is sorted. Now you just apply the filters. Look, it will select your columns individually, your rows individually, sort by color, sort from largest to lowest, whatever. So it is the way how to sort your columns differently. Now there is another option, that is add level. That is to sort your data separately. Like if you want to sort first by company, then you want to sort it by the January month, smallest to lowest, then it will be, look, firstly it is sorted by A to Z, then it is sorted by your January month values. So you can also put the levels in your sorting and in your filtering the area. Thank you.